So on my 81 CJ, I have made these homemade brackets to try and get some better mirrors. And they're, oh, I can't remember what they are, Best Top or something that I got. But my driver's side developed a problem. It fell off. So I'm gonna go a different route this time. So I've got this old set of, I think they're Rampage, I don't know what they are, but they never stay put. You're driving down the road and it gets loose back here, and then they flop around and they're just worthless mirrors. But I got to thinking that I could probably make motorcycle mirrors work. So we're gonna give it a shot.